This black retriever was named the dog of the century. In the 30s, there was a black retriever called Swansea Jack that lived with his master William Thomas in the River Tawe area of Swansea, Wales. Jack was an adept swimmer and would always respond to cries for help from the water, diving into the water and pulling whoever was in difficulty to safety at the dockside. In his lifetime, Jack saved 29 people from drowning, earning him the Bravest Dog of the Year award in 1936, a silver cup from the Lord Mayor of London, and remains the only dog to receive 2 bronze medals from the Dogs Trust. Sadly, Jack passed away in 1937 at the age of 7 by eating rat poison. In 2000, Swansea Jack was named Dog of the Century by Newfound Friends of Bristol, who train dogs in aquatic rescue techniques. Let's celebrate the amazing life of Swansea Jack by taking care of all the dogs around us. Subscribe if you like my sexy robotic voice.